What if the story of the universe is actually the story of us? What if every atom in your body was once inside a star? Billions of years ago, long before Earth existed, the universe was already shaping the elements that would one day become life. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe. All of it was forged in ancient stars that lived and died long before our planet formed. Tonight, we begin a journey across space and time, a journey through 13.8 billion years of cosmic history, from the birth of the universe to the rise of life on Earth. This is the story of the cosmos and our place within it. For thousands of years, humans looked up at the night sky and wondered, what are those lights? Why do they move? And what lies beyond them? Ancient civilizations built monuments aligned with the stars. They mapped constellations and created myths to explain the heavens. But the universe was still a mystery. Everything changed when science began asking questions instead of telling stories. One simple invention transformed our understanding forever: the telescope. With it, humanity would begin to see the universe as it truly is. Not a perfect heaven of gods, but a vast physical cosmos governed by natural laws. In the early 1600s, an Italian scientist named Galileo Galilei pointed a telescope toward the sky. What he saw shocked the world. The moon was not smooth and perfect. It had mountains and craters. Jupiter was not alone. It had moons orbiting around it. This meant something revolutionary. Not everything in the universe revolved around Earth. Galileo's discoveries marked the beginning of modern astronomy. For the first time, humans realized that Earth was not the center of the universe. It was simply one small world among many. And beyond our planet lay a universe far greater than anyone had imagined. To understand the universe, we must travel back to the beginning. Nearly 14 billion years ago, before stars, before galaxies, before even atoms existed. The universe began in an event known as the Big Bang. Space itself expanded rapidly. Energy filled the newborn universe. Temperatures were unimaginably hot. Within the first seconds, the fundamental laws of physics formed. Gravity, electromagnetism, the forces that would shape everything to come. As the universe expanded, it cooled, and from that cooling energy, matter began to appear. Tiny particles formed: protons, neutrons, electrons. These particles combined to form the first atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. For millions of years, the universe remained dark. No stars yet existed, only enormous clouds of gas drifting through space. But gravity was already at work, slowly pulling matter together, gradually shaping the structure of the cosmos. Eventually, the pressure inside these gas clouds became intense. Temperatures rose. And then, something extraordinary happened. The first star ignited. The universe had found its light. These first stars were enormous, far larger than our sun. They burned incredibly bright, but they lived short lives. Inside their cores, nuclear fusion created new elements: carbon, oxygen, iron, elements that had never existed before. When these massive stars died, they exploded in violent supernovas. Their explosions scattered newly created elements across space. The universe was slowly becoming chemically richer. Each generation of stars helped build the ingredients for planets and eventually life. Over billions of years, gravity gathered stars into enormous structures, galaxies. Each galaxy contained billions or even trillions of stars. Some galaxies formed elegant spirals. Others became massive, glowing spheres. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is one of these cosmic cities. It contains hundreds of billions of stars. One of those stars would eventually give rise to a remarkable planetary system, our solar system. About 4.6 billion years ago, a cloud of gas and dust collapsed under gravity. At its center, a star ignited, the Sun. Around the young star, leftover material began to spin in a massive disk. Dust particles collided and stuck together. Small rocks formed, then larger bodies. Eventually, planets emerged. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, the giant worlds of Jupiter and Saturn. Our solar system had formed. But Earth was not yet the peaceful blue world we know today. The early Earth was violent and chaotic. Volcanoes erupted constantly. Asteroids bombarded the surface. The atmosphere was thick with toxic gases. Oceans had not yet formed. Yet over time, the planet began to cool. Steam condensed into rain. Rain fell for thousands of years. Gradually, oceans filled the planet's surface. And somewhere within these ancient waters, something incredible happened. Life began. The earliest life forms were microscopic, single-celled organisms floating in Earth's oceans. They were simple, but they possessed one extraordinary ability. They could reproduce. Over millions of years, these tiny organisms multiplied. Some evolved new abilities. One group of microbes began producing oxygen through photosynthesis. Slowly, oxygen accumulated in Earth's atmosphere, transforming the planet forever. This change allowed more complex life to evolve. Life continued evolving for billions of years. Simple cells became complex cells. Eventually, multicellular organisms appeared, creatures made of many cooperating cells. Then, about 540 million years ago, something remarkable happened. Life diversified rapidly in an event called the Cambrian explosion. Suddenly, the oceans filled with strange and diverse creatures. Many of the basic body plans of modern animals appeared during this time. Life had become incredibly creative. Hundreds of millions of years later, giant reptiles dominated the planet. Dinosaurs ruled Earth for more than 160 million years. They evolved into countless forms: towering plant eaters, swift predators, creatures that walked, ran, and even flew. For a long time, dinosaurs were the undisputed rulers of the world, but the universe had other plans. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth. The impact unleashed unimaginable destruction. Firestorms swept across continents. Dust filled the atmosphere. Sunlight was blocked. Global ecosystems collapsed. The age of dinosaurs came to an end. But their extinction created an opportunity. Mammals began to thrive, and eventually, one species developed something unique: advanced intelligence. Humans appeared only a few 100,000 years ago. In cosmic terms, this is barely a moment. Yet humans developed language, technology, and science. We learned to observe the universe, to build telescopes, to explore space. With each discovery, our understanding of reality grew deeper. But every answer also created new questions. Modern telescopes allow us to see galaxies billions of light years away. Each image reveals a universe filled with unimaginable scale. Billions of galaxies, trillions of stars, and possibly countless planets. Some of those worlds may even host life. Our search for understanding continues. Every discovery brings us closer to answering humanity's greatest questions. The atoms inside your body were created in ancient stars. You are literally made of star stuff. Every human, every tree, every animal on Earth is part of the universe becoming aware of itself. And our exploration has only just begun. Because somewhere out there, new worlds are waiting, new discoveries are waiting, and the next chapter of the cosmic story is still being written.